What's up, guys? In today's video, I'm going to be hiking a mountain here in Alaska. I actually see a lot of people on this trail right now, so we'll see how crowded it gets, but hopefully we should get some good views. I've never actually hiked this mountain before, so we'll see what it looks like, but hope you guys enjoy. Wow. Check out this view, guys. So sick. So there's kind of two different ways I could go, up that way or this way. I think I'm just gonna go straight. I've never been on this hike before, so we'll see if I chose the right way, but I think it's like a big loop, so should like circle around and yeah, we'll see where it goes. So right now it's obviously springtime here in Alaska. But usually what that means is breakup season is what we call it, where all the snow is melting and it causes like all this muddy mess and muck. But this year we didn't have that much snow, so it's actually, I don't think it's gonna be as bad. It's kind of nice. I love seeing like the different views like this. You can just see like just all the mountains way over there. The weather, honestly, it kind of reminds me of like fall time. It's all like the trees haven't grown back yet. There's no green yet, but it's still kind of cold, but not like freezing, you know. So it's that weird in between stage. But hopefully in a few weeks we'll start seeing some green and it'll be more sunny and warm and head into that summer season. That's always fun. Like there's like a old cabin or little playhouse or shed or something there. It's kind of cool. I see somebody's up there. Oh, that'll be me soon. This will be a fun place to like go sledding. That was exhausting, but now I'm on top of the snow a little bit. I think I just follow this ridge line. It's over there, so yeah, we're getting there. It'd be fun to go hike around those mountains over there. I don't think I have time today, and I'll probably still try to get up on this one. So, but yeah, it's beautiful day out here. I've never been over here, so I'll have to try to come up here more often. But yeah, this will be a cool spot, especially like in the summertime. I love like when there's no trees, because sometimes you hike and there's like trees literally like everywhere and you're like going through brush, and that's just a pain. Like nobody really likes that. But when you're like up here and you can just see views like every direction literally, like it just makes it that much more enjoyable, and it's easier to hike too, so it's just better that way. But I think I'm gonna start heading up and see what it looks like at the top. It's so pretty. But I think I'm gonna probably head down. I think I saw people go this way, so let's see if this is the right direction. That was tiring. Oh. Whew. I gotta take a little break. I purposely didn't bring my water because I didn't think this hike would be that long, which it's not super long. I haven't been out here very long. But I'm starting to get a little jittery, probably a little dehydrated, so I'm looking forward to a nice drink of my water bottle. But we're getting there. Been sliding down most of the way up there. Now we got just a little bit more to go. It's getting pretty muddy over here. It's that breakup season I was talking about. It's so muddy. Oh, yes. That was a good hike. Oh, and of course the sun's coming out right now. Perfect. It's just way up there. And now I'm back. It's crazy, there's so many cars here. I saw a few groups of people, but hardly any people, so I wonder where they're hiking or if they went further than me, or who knows. Oh, I needed that. Oh, that was a fun hike. I think I'm really hungry though, so I think I'm gonna go grab some food. Well guys, if you guys enjoyed that video, go ahead and hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. I think that's going to be it for the video. But yeah, we'll see you guys next time. I'm going to enjoy some delicious Popeyes right now. So yeah, you guys, see you later. One more time.